name is Ahmad Najwa. I'm a designer of prosthetics and orthotics at Kenny Orthopedics in Nicholasville, Kentucky. The location where I work at, it's our central fabrication lab where we get orders from all our clinical locations and we fabricate our devices. What we do has a concrete impact on people's lives in terms of what they can accomplish and what they can do. So originally I'm from Afghanistan, where I saw a large number of landmine victims. My father worked for the Red Cross in Afghanistan for over 30 years. The work was very meaningful to him. That was definitely a big motivation for me. On an average day, I get about 8 devices that I'm working on. My day starts by receiving the scans from the clinicians, and I modify those scans in a CAD program. After the modification is complete, I print the actual device in a 3D printer. There's other technicians who finish those devices and assemble them. So it is definitely a collaborative experience. We build custom devices. No two prosthetic or orthotic devices are the same because no two people are the same. Shane Pope was one of our patients initially. In 2017, he took on the role as a lab manager.
I was in a motor vehicle accident in June of 2014, suffered injuries to my left leg and amputated below the knee. I can apply my everyday feelings and perception of wearing a prosthesis to what we're doing for our patients. At the end of the day, this is for someone, and it's going to change their life.
I would just say to anyone who's in high school or college, if they're interested in robotics, computer programming, design, any of these fields, in addition to medical fields, prosthetics and orthotics and orthotics is a perfect field for you because it's a marriage of all these fields. You have to have a motivation to help people. That has to be your main driver because that's what we mainly do is help people. For me, nothing will beat seeing an amputee taking their first step on a prosthetic that I helped design and build. You see the joy on someone's face immediately as they're able to stand up for the first time.